So, in preparation for the electrical crew coming and actually installing the cable, because the electrical cable was going to cross my septic lines, I had to hand dig out around the septic lines. And actually, they ended up being in a location that I didn't think they were. So, the digging became, well, it became ridiculous. Basically, my yard ended up looking like a frickin' minefield, just holes everywhere to try and find it. And even though I hand dug a bunch, as you can see there from the snapped water line, we missed one. So that was a sprinkler line, wasn't the main, wasn't the septic line, but they came out and they brought their cool equipment and their trenchers, and they laid a bunch of electrical line in place all the way back underground, all the way back to the barn. And they did a really good job. Pretty happy with what the crew did. Once they finished, I had to fill in a bunch of the holes. And if you're curious, that was one of the holes there that I actually rolled the tractor bringing dirt back in. But look at this. I have lights. Electricity's on. The barn has lights. There's no heat yet, but the lights are frickin' beautiful.